Hi, I am Erica Rusi Peterson with speakmethod.com, and this lesson is on the L sound, a basic introduction to the L sound. The L sounds like la, a small U shape, a small front part of the tongue presses up against the top of the mouth. La. The American L is a little bit lighter than the L in some languages. And then some languages have R and L as interchangeable. So this L sound can really take some practice. But it's all about the position of the tongue. So you can practice by trying different positions. For instance, la, that would be too much. Ra, that would be too little. So you need that front part of your tongue to press the top of your mouth. La. Okay, now when L is the middle or last letter, especially the last, we usually do not do the full sound, though we do make an L sound. For instance, if I say, "That's how I feel," I spoke a very light L on the word feel. I don't say, "That's how I feel," like that. So the L does get a little lighter when it's in the middle or at the end. One more way that you can practice is to practice with words that change between R and L in a consonant cluster. This means 2 or 3 consonants together. And make sure each one sounds different. For instance, glass, grass. Crass, class. So people should be able to hear which is which. When you have that down, you know that you can speak both L and R correctly. Okay, this completes our basic introduction to the L sound. Get more practice with the L word lists and the everyday practice video at www.speakmethod.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.